Welcome to Here to Help, a video series created by West Slope Library to help you access information online. I'm Taya Hart, and today I will help you find out if you are registered to vote at your current address in Oregon. You can start here at the Washington County Cooperative Library Services website, wccls.org. Go to Research, Resources by Category, and click Law and Government. Scroll down the page and click on Oregon Votes. This will take you to the Oregon Secretary of State website for voting and elections. You can click to see information about the current election. The last day to update your voter registration is October 13th, 2020, which you'll find on this page once it loads. And so we also see a link for a Dropbox locator. If we click that link, we see that it'll be updated in October. I do want to let you know that West Slope Library will be a ballot drop location for the 2020 election in November. Now we will look at My Vote. You can use My Vote to check if you're registered to vote and to update your voter registration if needed. You can select your preferred language from the 6 available here. I'm going to go ahead and proceed in English. And you can see here I need to enter my first name, last name, and date of birth and click Submit to use My Vote. I'm going to move my icon here. So first name, last name, and I'm not going to enter my date of birth right now, but I'll talk you through what would happen next. So if you enter your date of birth, you can click Submit, and this will check if you're registered to vote, and you can see at which address. So My Vote will show you your name, your voter status, the county you're registered in, the political party you're registered as if you have one, residential address, and mailing address. So you can check to see if this information needs to be updated, and if it does, click the Update Registration button in the lower left. You'll be asked 2 questions. Are you a citizen of the United States of America? And are you at least 16 years of age? If you can answer yes to both questions and click Continue, you'll then need to enter your Oregon driver's license, permit, or ID card number issued by the Oregon DMV to continue to update your registration online. If your Oregon DMV number isn't recognized or you don't have one, you cannot submit your registration online, but you can print out a registration form and mail it to your county elections office. Don't have a printer? Not to worry. You can contact the library by phone. I'm going to head to our website here, westsslopelibrary.org. It does have our phone number at the top of our website. It's going to take a moment to load. So you can call us at 503-292-6416, or you can contact us by email at westslope@wccls.org. And you can make an appointment to pick up an Oregon voter registration card during our takeout service. If you need more help, you can also book a librarian online for a 30-minute appointment by telephone or video call, where we'll work with you one-on-one. So did I find out if you're registered to vote? Did I help you to find out if you're registered to vote at your current address? Please take our brief online survey so that we know if this video helped. The survey link is in the video description below. I'll show it to you here now. And remember, Library staff are here to help.